Have you ever felt your world collapse in a single moment? Like everything you worked for, everything you believed in just vanished? That gut punch of failure doesn't knock, it kicks the door down and leaves you gasping. Think about that for a second. That fear, that shock, that empty feeling like the floor just disappeared under you. That's exactly where your real power begins. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your worst failure isn't the end. It's the raw material for your next victory. It's the fire that forges your resilience, but only if you're willing to face it. First brutal truth: confidence doesn't survive failure, it dies. And the only way to rebuild it is to stare the pain straight in the eyes. Most people run. They scroll through distractions. They pretend it didn't happen. They whisper to themselves, maybe tomorrow will be easier. But growth doesn't come from hiding. Growth comes from discomfort. Your confidence isn't waiting for luck, it's waiting for courage. And courage is born the moment you decide to show up again, even when your heart is shaking and your mind screams, you're done. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Honesty. You need to look at your failure like a mirror, not a monster. What went wrong? Where did you hesitate? Which choices broke the bridge you were building? Don't skim it. Don't excuse it. Feel it. Own it. Pain with purpose propels you. Pain with regret paralyzes you. Write it down. Speak it aloud. Feel it fully. And then make the decision to learn, not to lament. Think about that one decision you regret the most. Replay it in your mind. Now, instead of shame, imagine lessons in it. Each misstep is a breadcrumb leading to your next breakthrough. This is where most people quit, but not you. Step 2. Small wins. After a crushing loss, your brain whispers, don't risk it again. That's fear disguising itself as wisdom. Break that cycle. Start stacking micro victories. One small action, one brave step, one tiny accomplishment. It could be as simple as picking up the phone you've been avoiding or sending that message you've been scared to send. Each win rebuilds a brick in your confidence foundation. Momentum is contagious. Start stacking wins and suddenly courage roars louder than fear. One win leads to another. One action opens the door for the next. This is the compound power of movement. You don't just get back on your feet, you start sprinting. Step 3. Surround yourself with truth tellers. Your tribe is everything. People who challenge you, push you, call you out. Confidence isn't built in isolation, it's forged in fire. Your tribe either lifts you toward greatness or anchors you in excuses. Choose wisely. Let those who see your potential guide you back to it. Think about the people around you right now. Who lifts you? Who holds you accountable? Who refuses to let you settle for almost? If you haven't found them yet, seek them out. They're your secret weapon. Step 4. Patience. Confidence doesn't return overnight. It's rebuilt brick by brick, decision by decision. Every time you rise after a setback, you're rewriting your identity. You're saying, I am bigger than my mistakes. I am stronger than my fear. I am the person who wins after losing. And here's something most people never realize. Every failure is a roadmap, not a scar, not a mark of shame, a roadmap. Follow it, study it, use it to navigate your next moves with clarity, resilience, and fire. Picture yourself standing back up after a storm, feeling the wind, the sun, the air on your face. You survived the worst, you faced it, and now you carry a confidence no one can shake. That's the moment most people only dream about, but you're living it. So take this moment, right now. Make a promise to yourself. No matter how hard you fell, you will rise harder. You will rebuild. You will conquer. Every person watching this, every single person who's ever felt broken, they need to see you do it. Your comeback isn't just about you. It's proof anyone can rise from rock bottom. Hit that subscribe button. This channel isn't just motivation. It's your blueprint to the American dream. Stay here, stay strong, and let's build the unstoppable version of you together.